Welcome to this charming North Carolina farmhouse. Sits on 88 acres of ultra private land adjoining over 10,000 acres of national forest land. This lovingly updated and restored home features original floors and an attached greenhouse. The property boasts multiple gardens, a large front porch with views of a year-round creek and ample pasture, and extensive storage with two large barns, garage and shed. Additional features include a newly developed build site, 30 AMP RV hookup and a variety of fruit trees and so much more. This property has it all. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.